Okay friends, welcome to IACE. Today we are going to discuss NTPC English Medium Grant Test number 66 Reasoning Explanation. Suppose friends take first question. Again question number 1 is what? Introducing a boy, a girl said, he is the son of the sister of my mother's brother. Suppose friends first take this one. Friends first take this point. The sister of next my mother's brother. So friends here introducing a boy, a girl said. That means here speaker is what? Girl. Suppose friends take here girl. Next in question take my end. Here my qualifies girl. This girl having one mother. So girl having mother. This mother having brother. Yes. Next. So here my mother's brother. So the given one is what? He is the son of the sister of my mother's. That means this brother having one sister. This brother having one sister means what? Mother chance. Otherwise one more sister also chance. That means there is chance to take two possibilities. Take other possibility. Here speaker is what? Girl. After speaker take in question after my. Here my qualifies girl. This girl having mother. This mother having brother and this mother having brother. Yes. So friends, after my mother's brother, next go to ending to starting end. That means next sister. That means this brother having sister. This brother having sister means what? This mother one possibility. Otherwise, we will take one more sister and we will take one more sister. Yes. So two possibilities. So here the sister of my mother's brother. Yes, here we are having two possibilities. Now he is the son of, that means he is the son of this sister. Yes, now in this case he is the son of here in this mother. So friends, in this case how the boy is related to girl. So friends, one case, in this case how the boy is related to girl means in this case cousin, but in this case here brother. So answer is what? Two possibilities, brother or cousin. So brother or cousin means answer is what? Option D. Question number 31. Answer is option D. Question number 32. Introducing a man, a woman said, he is the son of my mother's brother's father's son. So friends, for this model, first take speaker, next take in the question my, after my link up that ending with starting. So here introducing a man, woman said. That means here speaker is what? Woman. Next take in the question my qualifies woman. Woman having mother. So friends take here woman. This woman having mother. This mother having brother. Next this brother having again father and this brother having here father. This father having son. Maybe this person or maybe one more son. Yes, leave it. So friends here my mother's brother's father's son. This person or this person. Now for this ending link up starting is what? He is the son of. That means that man is son of this brother, otherwise this person. Yes, whatever it may be, this person is son of this one. Now how the man is related to woman, otherwise how the woman is related to the man. How the woman is related to man means in both cases answer is what? Cousin only. Yes, why means here woman having mother brother means what? Uncle son or daughter is what? Cousin. So answer is what? Cousins. Option D. Question number 33. Name a single letter that can be suffixed to the following words to form the new words. Yes. So friends, the given meaning is, the given question is, ending లో మనం ఒక లెటర్ యాడ్ చేయాలండి. ఏ లెటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే అన్నీ వచ్చేసి మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్స్ అవుతాయి అంటున్నాడు. నౌ టేక్ ఏ. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ వాట్? HATA. Go through options. HATA we can't. Next HATE hate. Yes. Friends take here. HAT. If you are going to add ending E hate. Yes, meaningful word. Next one bear, BARE bear. Yes, meaningful word. Ending if you are going to add E. Next bait, BATE bait. Friends, what the meaning of bait means what? Angry mode. Next one is what? Pine, PIN fine. Next friends here fine means what? Here Telugu meaning is సన్నగా అవడం అండి. Next one is what? Bath. Yes, BATHE. Yes. So friends, by adding at the suffix E, here we are able to get all are meaningful words. So which letter we are going to add suffix means E. So question number 33 answer is option B. Next question number 34. A group of alphabets are given with each being assigned a number. These have to be unscrambled into a meaningful word and correct order of letters may be indicated from the given response. Yes. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇక్కడ లెటర్స్ వచ్చేసి అలా ఇలా జిగ్జాగ్ చేశారండి, ఫ్రంట్ టు బ్యాక్ ఇలా జిగ్జాగ్ చేశాడు. సో నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు అరేంజింగ్ ఇన్ సీక్వెన్స్, దెన్ వీ విల్ గెట్ వన్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఫర్ దిస్ మోడల్ సింపుల్ లాజిక్ ఈస్ గో త్రూ ఆప్షన్స్. By seeing question, if you are not able to get means go through options. Otherwise, by seeing question only if you are able to get means then no need to check options and yes. So by using this one, suppose they given here second letter and second letter is part here R. Next first letter is part here. Friends take here first letter, second, third, fourth, 5, 6. Now second letter is part R. Now first letter is part E. Next fourth letter is part here A. Next third letter is part here yes. Next one sixth letter is part O. Next one fifth letter is part, fifth is part here N. That means here we can able to get reason yes. So by option 1 only answer. And for this model simple logic is by seeing letters, if you are able to get no problem, if not simply go through options. And so answer is part reason option A. Next one, question number 35. If the following words are arranged according to the English dictionary, which word will be on the third place? So మన ఇంగ్లీష్ డిక్షనరీ ఆర్డర్లో అరేంజ్ చేయాలండి. Now suppose friends take here. Friends in each and every word here first two letters are same. Here we are having KN, here also we are having KN, here also we are having KN, here also we are having KN. So first two letters are same, then go for third letter. Here we are having O, here A, here I, here O. Friends dictionary order first which one will comes first here? Here A, that means this one is part first word. Next after A, next which one will comes? I, so this one is part second word. After I, next one is part O. Here O, here also we are having O, both letters are same. Next go for next letter, here B, here W. మనకి డిక్షనరీ ఆర్డర్లో వచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ B వస్తుందండి, దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ పార్ట్ 3, దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ పార్ట్ హియర్ 4. But question is part which of the following will be the third place? Third place is part KN OB. So answer is part option D. Question number 35 option D. Question number 36. In the given diagram, a rectangle represents female and now a rectangle vachesi female. Next triangle represents educated. Now this triangle represents here educated. Next one, circle represent here rural. Now friends check here, they given is part circle, this circle is represents rural. Next one, square represents civil servants, this one is here civil servants. Yes, leave it. Question is one, who among the following is neither civil servant nor educated? Civil servant కాదు, educated కాదు, but is rural and not a female, yes. Suppose friends first take rural and first take here rural. This one is part here rural. Now how many they given is part who among the following is neither civil servant? So civil servant here this one no chance. Next one nor educated means this one is part here education, this one also no chance. Next one but is rural and not a female, so female also no chance. Female also no chance means this 12 also no chance. That means remaining is part only rural is part 3 members. Yes, so simply answer is part 3 members. So friends for this one 3 members means answer is option D. And simply they are asking question is part here only rural. How many persons are there? 3 persons. So question number 36 answer is option D. Next question number 37. In the following figure square represents lawyer అండి, మనకి ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ వచ్చేసి లాయర్ ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ట్రయాంగిల్ రిప్రజెంట్ సైక్లిస్ట్. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ వాట్ సర్కిల్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ మెన్, సర్కిల్ ఈస్ ఏ మెన్. రెక్టాంగిల్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ పోస్ట్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్స్. ఎస్, నౌ లివ్ ఇట్. విచ్ ఆర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈస్ మెన్ who are not cyclist? Now men who are not cyclist and now friends take here first men తీసుకోండి. This one is men, take here men who are not cyclist and who are not cyclist means here this one is cyclist triangle, here this E is what men but cyclist, but our requirement is what men but not cyclist. Here this entire one is what men but not cyclist means here E will go. Next D is a man but not a cyclist, C also man but not a cyclist, B also men but not a cyclist. That means answer is what? D, C, B. So B, C, D. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 37 కి వచ్చేసి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ అండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 38. T is elder than W. T అనే అతను W కంటే పెద్దోడు. ఎస్, T is elder than W. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. L is elder than W. L అనే అతను W కంటే పెద్దోడు అండి. L is elder than W. But here but qualifies first person. First person is what? L. L is younger than T. L అనే అతను T కంటే చిన్నోడు అండి. Now L is younger than T. That means T is elder than L. Next one. U is younger than both H and W. Now the given is what? Here U is younger than both H and W. That meaning is U అనే అతను H and W కంటే చిన్నోడు. నెక్స్ట్ W is elder than H and. Now the given is what? W is elder than H. Now W and H, these two are elder than U. Next one. Next one is what? T is elder than L. L is elder than W. W is elder than H. H is elder than U. Now, so friends, see here question is what? Then who is the youngest? So who is the youngest means here U is the youngest person. ఎవరు చిన్నోడు అండి. సో U is the youngest one. So answer is option B. Question number 38, option B. Question number 39. If the given interchanges are made in the signs and numbers, which one of the four equations would be correct అండి. Now interchange in signs and numbers, then which equation is correct అండి. Now given interchanges signs are in multiplication and this one is division. Multiplication and division and 4 and 9. Yes. Now this one is division, this one also division, this one also division, this one also division. Now suppose friends take here 9 interchange with 4 and 4 interchange with 9 and take friends only LHS. Why means now LHS value after interchanging and RHS value should be equal. Now so 9 4 means what? 4 replaced with 9, 9 replaced with 4. That means 94 is what? 49. Next multiplication is what? Division 7. Division means what? Here multiplication. Next 47. If you are going to calculate this one, 324 will come or not. Now this one is what? 7. This one is what? 47. 49 by 7, 7. That means this one is what? Here 280. Next total is what? Here 329. But this one is what? 324. So first equation is not correct. Leave it. Go for second one. 94. Then replace. That means 4 replace with 9. 9 replace with 4. That means here 49. Into means what? Divide by 7. Next one is what? Here divide by means what? Into 97. This one is what? 97 means, but here 9 is replaced with 4. This one is what? 47. Now take this one. So friends, see here 49 by 7. This one is what? 7. 47. 7 into 47 is what? Here 329. Yes, this equation is correct only. Friends, don't interchange RH side. So by interchanging this LH side, here we are going to get RHS is equal or not. So answer is option B. Next, question number 40. In the following questions, correct the equation by interchanging the two symbols. So in the given option, by interchanging the symbols, which equation is make it correct and now. By interchanging into minus and, suppose friends take here multiplication place minus, next minus place here into, then it will get 28 or not. So when this one is what? Here 8 by 4 is what? Here 2. 2 into 4 is what? 14. 14, this one is what? 9 minus 3, 6. It is not equal. So first option, no chance. Go for second option. Second option is what? Plus and minus and. So plus place is minus, minus place is what? Plus. Now check here. 8 by 2, 4. Friends, see 8 by 4 is what? This one is what? Here 2. This one is 27. 27 minus 2. Next, this one is what? Plus 7. This one is more than that. So it will also not satisfy. Go for third one, divided by and plus. Then this one is what? Divided by, this one is what? Plus. 3 divided by 8, it will give points. But here we are having exact value, no chance. Next, simply take last option is the answer. Into and divide by. So this place is what? Divide by. Next, divide by place is what? This one is into. Now 9 divided by 3, this one is what? Here 3 plus 8 into 4 is what? 32. Next, minus 7. So this one is what? 35 minus 7. 35 minus 7 is what? 28. So answer is what? Option D. By interchanging these two, we can able to get both sides are equal. So 40 answer is option D. Next, question number 41. Select the related letter or word or number from the given alternatives. Yes. Next, CFIL is related to XURO. Then how ORUX is related to? Friends, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి మనకి అనాలజీ టాపిక్ అండి. సో వాట్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మీన్స్, ఫస్ట్ టూ ఆర్ రిలేటెడ్ బేస్డ్ అపాన్ వన్ ఫ్యూచర్, దట్ సేమ్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఈస్ అప్లికబుల్ ఫర్ థర్డ్ వన్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ వన్. ఎస్. నౌ సపోజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ చెక్ హియర్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇఫ్ ద గివెన్ లైక్ దిస్ అండి, ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ చెక్ హియర్ ఫస్ట్ లెటర్, otherwise first letter last letter logics. And now if you will check here first and first letter, here C opposite letter is what? X. Alphabetical form learned. A opposite is what? Z. B opposite is Y. C opposite is what? X, like that. Now C opposite is X, F opposite U, I opposite R, L opposite O. So simple logic is what? Opposite letters. In the same manner, O opposite L, R opposite I, U opposite is what? Here F. That means here Li. Starting with Li, how many options we are having? Only one option. So answer is what? Option C. Otherwise last one, X opposite is what? Here C. So friends, here logic is what? Opposite letters. Question number 42. Select the alternative which shows similar relation among the given. Yes, leave it. Now spider is related to cluster and friends, group of spiders is called as a cluster and is called as a cluster. మన స్పైడర్ సమూహాలను వచ్చేసి క్లస్టర్ అంటారండి. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ manner, fish and hook, no. Sterling and head, no. Next, flamingos and pad, yes. Group of flamingos is called as a pad, yes. So answer is what? Option C and. So friends, remember here the given one is what? Group of spiders is called as a cluster. In the same manner, group of flamingos is called as a pad. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 43. Find the missing term in the given alphabetical series. Now missing number. So friends, if they given like this means, first check, first letter says one logic, second letter says other logic. And now A, D, I, P, question mark. Now logic is what? Here A, next one is what? Here B, C, D. That means this one is what? Plus 3. Next, D and I. D is 4. Next, I is what? 9. Then this one is what? Here plus 5. Next, I is 9. Next one is what? P is what? 16. Then this one is what? Plus 7. 3, 5, 7. Next one is what? Here 9. P plus 9 is what? P is 16. P face value 16 and 16 plus 9 is what? Here 25. 25 means what? 25 means what? Y. Starting is Y. Which option is there? Option C is the answer. Friends, no need to check and Y means they given with starting by only one option. That is only answer. If you want me, second one, B and F. Here plus 4. F and L. F is what? Here 6. L is 12. This one is what? Plus 6. Next one is what? Here plus 8. Next one is what? Here plus 10. T is 20. 20 plus 10 is what? 30. But we are having only 26 alphabets. 30 minus 26, remaining is 4. 4 means what? D. So answer is what? YD. So option C. Question number 44. In each of the following questions, a matrix of certain characteristics is given. These characteristics follows a certain trend, row wise or column wise. Find out this trend and choose the missing character from the given alternatives. Yes. Now 1, 4, 9 question mark. Next, so row wise or column wise we are having the logic and now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2, 4, 6 question mark. Friends, if you take a row wise, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Next one is what? 4 square. 4 square is what? 16 row wise. Next here 2. Next 4. Next 6. Next one is compulsory 8. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So this one is what? 8. So answer is what? 16 comma 8. Answer is option A. Question number 44. Option A. Question number 45 and so here the again question is what? Statements and assumptions and so statements and argument. Okay, leave it. Statement: should India make efforts to harness solar energy to fulfill the energy requirements? Okay. Friends, they are talking about at present all are changing to solar energy, and why means compare with all it is easy to get at the same time. Adile retake kuda pajapla. Question number 45 sir, retake. Question number 45. Here the again question is from statements and argument. Take care given statement. Should India make efforts to harness solar energy to fulfill its energy requirements? Friends, at present here even central government only here focusing on to develop more solar energy, and yes, now leave it. So now we are going to harness the solar energy to fulfill our requirements. Now take first one argument. Yes, most of the energy sources used at present is exhaustible. Yes, this one is correct only. At present maximum we are using solar energy only for all works. Now second one, no, harnessing solar energy requires a lot of capital which India lacks in. This one is not at all strong argument, and this one is weak only. Why means it requires lot of capital at the same time which India lacks in capital India is lacks in. No, so this one is wrong. So friends, only first argument is correct, and why means for each and every electrical work now at present we are using solar energy. So question number 45, only argument 1 is strong, option A. Question number 46, a man walks 9 km towards east. First starting వచ్చేసి 9 km east వెళ్తున్నాడు అండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫేసింగ్ ఈస్ట్ మీన్స్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ అండ్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్. దెన్ ఈ టర్న్స్ 12 km towards south. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 12 km south. ఫర్ దిస్ పాయింట్ సౌత్ వి నో ఈస్ట్ వెస్ట్ నార్త్ సౌత్. ఈ పాయింట్ వద్ద వచ్చేసి 12 km సౌత్ వెళ్తున్నాడు అండి. ఎస్, నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎండ్ పాయింట్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్. Question is what? How far he is from the starting point? Yes, now how far he is from the starting point? That means we are going to calculate this distance. Yes. So friends, here we know one side is what? 9, other side is what? Here 12. Now we are going to calculate this one. Here one angle is must and should 90, and yes. So hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Then hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. One side is 9, other side is what? 12. 9 square is what? 81. 12 square is what? Here 81. Next one is what? 144. Total is what? Here 225. Hypotenuse square equal to 225. Hypotenuse is what? Plus or minus 15, but distance is always positive. Answer is 15 km. Remember, how far is from starting point means, remember, compulsory we are going to take shortest path. Yes, so answer is what? Here 15 kilometers, option C. Next question number 47, the door of Aditya house faces the east. Now this one is door, and this door is facing east. Door is facing east from the back side of his house. Now this one is door. Now this one is what? Back side of his house. Next, that means her door is facing east, and door is facing east. Then back side is compulsory west only. Yes. Now from the back side of his house, he walks straight for 50 meters. So from back side of his house, that means indirectly he is going here west side 50 meters. Then he turns to right. Facing west means left hand and right hand. Next he turns to right. Next he turns to right and walks for 50 meters. Again finally turns towards his left. Now he is facing north hand. Starting వచ్చేసి వాళ్ళ హౌస్ వచ్చేసి డోర్ వచ్చేసి ఈస్ట్ ఫేసింగ్ అండి, బట్ అతను వచ్చేసి బ్యాక్ సైడ్ నుంచి మూవ్ అవుతున్నాడు. సో he moves 50 meters towards west, turns to right and moves 50 meters. Now he is turning left. Facing north means left hand and right hand, he turns left. Next he turns towards his left and stops after walking 25 meters. Yes, now he stops at this point. Now Aditya is in which direction? From the starting point. So from the starting point means direction diagram is at starting point. Here east, west, north, south. From starting point he is in which direction? He is in which direction? Answer is what? Here northwest direction. So answer is what? Northwest, option D. Question number 47, option D. Question number 48 to 50. Here the again question is from small puzzle. There are 5 friends: Chaitu, Sailaja, Varna, Priyanka and Prajakta. Next, now friends take 5 members. First person వచ్చేసి here Chaitu, next Sailaja, Next one, Varna. Next, Priyanka. Next, Prajakta. Yes, total here we are having 5 members and leave it. They like different fruits and in different profession and మనకు టోటల్ గా 5 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఈచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు లైక్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రూట్ అండ్ ఈచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ ద డిఫరెంట్ ప్రొఫెషన్. లివ్ ఇట్. Chaitu likes orange. Take here. Chaitu likes orange and he is an engineer. Chaitu is a engineer. Next one. The liar likes banana. Suppose liar అనే అతను వచ్చేసి banana like చేస్తున్నాడు. The liar likes here banana. Next one. Shailaja and Priyanka like apple and grapes respectively. That means first one is for first one, second one is for first one. Second one, sorry. Shailaja likes here. Shailaja and Priyanka likes apple and grape. That means Shailaja first one. Here first one likes first one. That means Shailaja likes apple. Take here. Shailaja likes here apple. Next second one. Priyanka likes here grapes. Here Priyanka likes grapes. Friends, here they given respectively. Respectively means first one is for first one, second one is for second one. Next one. And neither of them is a teacher. Now, Shailaja, this one is here teacher, no chance. Next, here also teacher, no chance. Go for next point. Varna likes watermelon. Now, Varna. This person likes here watermelon. Leave it. Now friends, already grapes, already all fruits completed. Orange, apple, watermelon, grapes. Now remaining banana, liar. Then Prajakta is here. Banana, liar. This one is liar. Now friends, take here. Friends, for teacher here no chance. Here no chance. This is the possibility for teacher. Next. Varna likes watermelon and the inspector likes grapes. Now, inspector like grapes and that means for inspector only possibility is what? This is the only possibility for inspector. Inspector likes here grapes. Next, one of the 5 is a fashion designer. So out of given 5, one profession is a fashion designer means now remaining person is what? Here Shailaja is a fashion designer. So this is the given small puzzle. Leave it. Take question. Question number 48. Which fruit does the teacher likes? Teacher వచ్చేసి ఏ ఫ్రూట్ లైక్ చేస్తున్నారండి. Take here teacher. Here teacher likes watermelon. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 48. Option A. Question number 49. Who is the fashion designer? Fashion designer profession ఎవరిదండి? Now fashion designer here Shailaja. So answer is what? Here option C. Question number 50. Which of the following is wrong pair? అంటే మనకు వచ్చేసి రాంగ్ వచ్చేసి ఏది ఉందండి? ప్రియాంక ఇన్స్పెక్టర్. ఎస్ ప్రియాంక పర్సన్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రొఫెషన్ రెండు కరెక్ట్గానే ఇచ్చాడండి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రజక్త గ్రేప్స్. ఎస్ ప్రజక్త గ్రేప్. దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. ప్రజక్త హియర్ బనానా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఓన్లీ రాంగ్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ వాట్? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 50 ఆప్షన్ బి. Here the again question is from statements and conclusions. The again statement is what? Industrial regulation has unfortunately come to be viewed as a barrier to easy of doing business in India. So friends, here we are having some barriers while doing the business and next because of industrial regulations. Leave it. Conclusion is what? This is a result of inefficiency and corruption. Yes, this one is correct only. Next one. The typical response of government has been to relax crucial safety checks. So this one also correct. But if the government is going to relax means there is chance to get corruption. If not means no chance to get corruption. That means if we take corruption there is a place. Sorry, if we are going to take a crucial safety checks, no chance to get corruption. If not, there is chance to get corruption. That means if this one is present me, for this one no chance. If this one is not present me, this one chance. That means answer is what? Either or. So both are either or means then answer is what? Either conclusion 1 or 2 only. Yes. Why means if one is not present means other one chance. If other one is present means second one no chance. So answer is option D. Arrange the given words in the sequence which they occur in the meaningful order. Yes, now we are going to arrange ascending order or descending order. So which is the highest one means first one is what? Pico one. First one is pico. Next one nano, milli, micro. So friends, after pico next one is what here? Nano. Next one is what here? Micro. Compare with micro, milli is small. That means next one is what here? Micro. Next one is what? Milli. Then answer is what? 4132. 4132 means answer is what? Option D. Friends, for this type of questions, we are going to arrange ascending order or descending order. But based upon one option only, they will give options only. Question number 53. Find the odd one from the given one. Now, out of given 4, 3 are same, 1 is different. Now, Kochi. It is one of the city in Kerala. Next, Gangtok. This one is what? Capital city, Sikkim. Next, Amravati, AP capital city. Next, Gandhinagar, Gujarat capital cities. So these 3 are capital city. This one is not a capital city. So this is the different one. So friends, remember, odd one out means odd one out and so out of given 4, 1 is different. Out of given 4 alternatives, 3 are same, 1 is different. The different one is what? Option A. Question number 54. Unscramble the letters in the words given in their questions and find the odd one. So what వచ్చేసి మనకి zigzag ఇచ్చారండి. Now we are going to arrange in sequence. After that, which one is the odd one out? Now, ATES. That means one is what? East. Next one, EW. NE. This one is what? News. Next, this one is North. Next, this one is West. So friends, which one is the different one? Now we can able to calculate, we can able to conclude. Answer is what? Option B. Why means east, north, west, these are direction. This one is not a direction. Answer is option B. Question number 55. Here the again question is from Silax. Take your given statement. All locks are keys. Take your lock. These all lock are key. Some door are all key are door. Key, all key is a door. Some door are window. Some window are floor. These are the given statements. Conclusion 1. Some key are window. కొంచెం కీ వచ్చేసి విండో అంటున్నాడు. సమ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ కీ ఈజ్ మిక్స్డ్ విత్ విండో. నో. దెన్ దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ వాట్? రాంగ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. నో ఫ్లోర్ ఈజ్ ఏ డోర్. Our friends see here, floor and door. Floor and door relation is what? We can't say. This one also simply wrong. Even no need to check on it. Simply this one is wrong. Why means? Given all statements are positive. If all are positive, no chance for negative conclusion. So simple answer is what? Both are wrong. Both are wrong means answer is option B. Question number 55. Answer is what? Option B. Neither 1 nor 2. Next, question number 56. In the following question, a series is given with one term, one or two terms are missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given one that will complete. DCXW, FEVU, HGTS, question mark. Yes, leave it. Friends, if they given like this, and first letter C is one sequence, second letter C is second sequence, third letter is third sequence, like that. D and F, logic is what? Plus 2. F and H, plus 2. H next plus 2. H is what? 8. 8 plus 2 is what? 10. 10 means what? J. Starting with J, 3 options. Leave it. Go for second letter. C and E. C face value 3. E is 5 plus 2. E and G. This one also plus 2. G next plus 2. G is 7. 7 plus 2 is what? 9. 9 means what? I. J I. With J I, how many options we are having? Only one option. Answer is what? Option B. Otherwise, if you want means remaining also check on X and V. X and V logic is what? Here. This one is minus. This one is minus. Suppose from check here. X is what? 24. V is what? 22. Minus 2. V is 22. T is 20. Minus 2. Next 20 minus 2 is what? 18. R. Next one. Double one U. 23. 21. Minus 2. U and S. 21. S is 19. Minus 2. Then 19 minus 2 is what? 17. 17 means what? Q. So answer is what? JIRQ. Friend, no need to solve entire word. Just by taking one or two letters, take the answer. And next, Go for next one. Question number 57. So here also the again question is from missing number. So friends, take here first number says, first letter says one sequence, second letter is second sequence, third is third sequence. Now O and P, logic is part plus 1, P plus 1 Q, Q plus 1 R plus 1 is part yes. Starting with S, all are S only, leave it. Now A, B, C, D, next one is part E, S, E. So S, E, how many options we are having? One option, answer is part option C. Other one next C, D, E, F, next one is G. So friends, here logic is what? Plus 1. For first letter plus 1, second letter plus 1, third letter plus 1. Answer is option C. Question number 58. So here the again question is from here a wrong number, and the again question is wrong number. Now 5, 27, 61, 122, 213, 340, 509. Friends, once if you are going to observe me, this one is near to 61, 4 cube minus 3, 64 minus 3, 125 minus 3, 122. Next 6 cube, 216 minus 3, 7 cube, 343 minus 3. Next one is part 8 cube, 512 minus 3 is part here, 509. Then here 4, then this one is 3, this one is part 2. 2 cube is part 8, 8 minus 3, 5. 3 cube minus 3. 3 cube minus 3 is part 27 minus 3 is part 24. But here they given 27. This is the wrong number. So answer is part option A. Here logic is part cube minus 3. Next. Question number 59. Here also again question is from syllabus. Now take here again one. Some festivals are holy. Take here festival. Some part of festival is a holy. Next. Some holy is a colorful. Take first conclusion. Some festival are color. Festival are color. No, wrong. Some festival are not color. Festival and color relation is part can't say. Then both should be wrong. Both should be wrong. Subjective predicates are same. One is positive, other one is negative. Then simple answer is for either or. So answer is option C and D. Question number 60. Here the again question is from here analogy. So first two are related based upon one feature, that same is applicable for third one and fourth one. Now take here first letter logic P and S. So P is 16, S is 19. This one is part plus 3. Next R and N. R is what here 18, N is what here 14. Then this one is part here minus 4. A and E. A and E is what? Take like this and pray is coded as SNEV. Then this one is what here plus 3. This one is what here minus 4. Next A and E. A is what 1, E is what 5. This one is what plus 4. Y and E V 25, 22. That means this one is what here minus 3. This is the logic. Then check which one is following this logic. G plus 3 and G plus 3 is what here G7, 7 plus 3 is what 10 J. Next one R second one minus 4. R is what 18. 18 minus 4 is what 14 N. But they given P, no chance. Next P is 16 plus 3 is what 19. Yes. Y is what 15 minus 4. 50 minus 4 means this one 11. But they given P, no chance. Next one S. S is what 19. Friends, take suppose SAGN. S is what 19. 19 plus 3 is what 22 V. Next A minus 4 and A minus 4. Suppose friends check here. Next suppose take here A minus 4. A minus 1 is what Z. Minus 2 Y. Minus 3 X. Minus 4 is what W. So this one is what V W. Next one is what again G plus 4. G is 7. 7 plus 4 is what 11. 11 means what K. Next one E. Last one is what minus 3. Minus 3 is what 2. 2 means what here B. So answer is what option C and. So here they given one and option C both are following the same pattern. Here logic is first letter last letter is what plus 3 minus 3. Middle letters are minus 4 plus 4. So answer is option C.